Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Angela. That's weird. People don't call me Angela. My name's Ange actually. So if you guys are new here, my name is Ange, and if you haven't yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Just subscribe or whatever. So I'm gonna use the Purlisse BB cream. I love this foundation because it's buildable and it just really looks like skin, honestly, and it's really just feels lightweight. It doesn't like bother my skin. It doesn't make me break out. I can wear it for a while. I actually talked about this in the Best of Beauty video, so you guys can check it out if you want to hear more in detail. So I'm using some e.l.f. stickers, which I struggle with when I put these on, but once I get the hang of it, it makes all the difference and my life so much easier. So I'm going to use the Crown Blush Palette. I feel like I stutter all the time. I'll put the details in the description box. And I'm just taking this one pretty much bone color shade and I'm putting it all over my lid. This is literally the easiest look ever. Then I'm going to take this pearly highlight color and I'm going to put that in my corner of my upper brow bone. Let's be honest, look at that highlight. It looks poppin'. It's really pigmented, and this palette is like, I think $13.99 or something, maybe $15, and then I have a discount code too, so it ends up being super affordable. And then I'm also going to take that highlight and put it in the inner corner of my eyes. I love these palettes. I love that they're so affordable and cheap, to be honest, and they're really good quality. So if you struggle with a wing, this is why I do the tape. It just makes life easier. It makes you be able to do it way quicker. So I'm taking the Kat Von D Precision Liner. I love this liquid liner. It's one of my absolute favorites. It is $20, but I'm telling you, I've had this actual one for almost a year, which is crazy. So it definitely does last a while. So you guys can see, whoa, and I got a sharp ass wing. I don't got to clean it up. No issues. It just makes life super easy, especially if you're in a rush and you want a quick wing. So I'm going to take the Winky Luxe mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras right now. I just love the formula of it, and it's got a big thick wand and makes me look like I actually got some lashes happening. Then I'm just taking a little Born This Way concealer, and I'm not doing a crazy contour. I'm not doing crazy full coverage. I kind of want my freckles to show a little bit. I actually got some inspo from the Taylor Swift Reputation Netflix thing, and I don't know why, I liked her makeup a whole lot. I liked that you could see like her actual skin and she wasn't so flawless appearing, and yeah, I liked her dark lipstick. So I'm not trying to look like her, I'm just like getting a little inspo from it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm taking this bronzer, and I like it because it has a little bit of shimmer to it, so it makes your skin look glowy and kind of like you've been out on a summer day. That makes sense, you feel me? Then I'm going to take this palette by Profusion, super cheap, affordable, drugstore price, and I'm just taking that yellowy shade and I'm just kind of putting it on where I set the concealer, but ever so lightly, because again, I don't want to look so done. I want to look a little more rugged, a little bit more grungy, maybe, I don't know. Then I'm taking that color that I put in my brow bone highlight, and I'm just going to put that basically, I started on my cheeks, and I liked how it made my skin look glowy and dewy. It didn't look like super highlighted. So then I'm just going to kind of sweep it kind of all over where I put that bronzer, all over my face, just to get that glowy, dewy type of feel, and where it doesn't look so highlighted. It just looks glowy, you feel me? Then I'm taking the Profusion Blush Palette, and I'm just using those two pinks. I'm going to pop that onto my cheeks, and then I'm also going to run it over my nose, so I just look a little flush, like I've been jumping around on stage singing, maybe, I don't know. Take En Fuego by Urban Decay, and this is just the prettiest color. I actually never used it before, it's my first time, but it's like this deep red with like a brown undertone. It reminds me of the 90s a little bit. I'm super into it, and I love lipsticks so much because they don't crumble and break up on you. So this is pretty much my final look. Really easy, really simple. It looks like it took a lot of time, but it didn't. So if you guys like this look, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, love you, and I'll see you soon.